Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this bidet because it is one of the coolest bidets that I've seen in a long time. So if you're looking for a bidet but you don't actually want one that is built in, this is a really good option. This is a bidet seat cover. So it is the toilet seat, as you can see. I'm gonna lift this up right here for you to see. This is where the water comes out, where it will actually spray out to clean your private areas. It's attached to your water system from the side right here. And then you would literally just add this toilet seat onto whatever toilet bowl you have. So it's just a simple change out of the toilet seat and seat cover. One really cool feature of this particular bidet is the fact that it is skin sensor controlled. So you're not gonna have any accidents where somebody comes and they hit your remote control and then water is just spraying out at them. You have to actually make contact with this area for the bidet to work. Let me show you. It comes with a really nice cute little remote control. This remote control is what is going to control exactly the spray, the amount of level, the temperature. It can control the temperature of what you're actually spraying, where you're spraying, and it has an option on the side. It shows you for both male and female. So I'm not sure if we can get that, but it shows you exactly here on the side where it's lit up with that LED light, how like you can sit over it or stand over it. This is a really, really nice thing, and I just want to show you really quickly that this actually does work. So nobody is sitting on it. I'm going to push the button to get the sprays going, and there's nothing happening because no one's sitting on it. So it's really cool, very nice feature. If you love that extra cleanness in your private areas and you want a bidet, this is a very good option to have.
We've had this now for a week. Husband installed this a couple days after Christmas. Gives you a look at the install and that, and we have fixed the remote to the wall. Absolutely wonderful product. Love, love, love it. And I never thought I would say that, but husband is in love with it, and that's all that matters.